Choose the text tool and click and drag with your mouse. You can zoom in with the plus button on your keyboard or zoom out by pressing the minus on your keyboard. Select your text. I held down Control and A at the same time to select the entire text. Choose your font and your font size. I'll be using glyphs, so I chose Ardilla. Type in character map, or if it's not there, you can choose under Windows Start and Accessories. Then choose your font at the top. Then under character set, you want to keep that to Unicode. Group by, we change to Unicode subrange. It's all the way at the bottom, and then when you have your window pop up, scroll all the way to the bottom and choose private use characters. Then select the one you want, hover over it, copy it, select over the T, edit, paste. I sped up this process because I'm repeating the same thing. If you find that the character map is too small, there's a free downloadable program called MainType. I highly recommend it. You can make the text very large, like 144, so you can see it perfectly. Now that I'm happy with it, I'll choose Path and Object to Path. That's going to turn it into a vector. At this point I could save as SVG, but I'm going to show you how to color the text and break it apart. It's currently all one piece. I'm going to choose full screen, and if I zoom out and with the paint bucket click on that, you can see it didn't grab the whole thing. So it's best to zoom in, use your full screen option, and that's all that changed, and it selects the entire M. You may need to change the settings at the top where it says fill by. It's above the mouse on the left side. You can change the threshold. So I'm going to click each piece while holding down the Shift key. The other way that you can separate the blue layer from the previous layer is to click on just one piece and press page down on your keyboard. And then when you see the previous layer pop up, you can click that one, move it to the side, or delete it, whichever you prefer. I just want to work with the blue layer, but I'm going to keep the black one on the side in case I need to use it again. So you can click on each letter and color it by clicking the color. And you can see how each piece is in its own separate layer. To combine each piece and make them the same layer, you choose Path and Combine. And then to break apart, choose Path, Break Apart. If you wanted to take a piece that you haven't worked with yet, maybe it's not text, and then choose Path and Combine to reconnect it. And now again I have two different colors, and I'm using the up arrow on my keyboard to move that up. And I chose two different purples. I meant to choose the same one, so I'm going to use the color picker and make those the same. Click and hold the Shift button and Path and Combine. And using the color picker, choosing the same color and combining those layers. File, Save As, and it'll say Inkscape SVG, and you can save that. And to exit full screen, you'll choose View and Full Screen.